How to set charging limit on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and navigate to the battery option and tap on that. Further, tap on the charging option. You will then see the charge limit slider. Slide the slider based on your preference to set your charge limit. You can set it to anywhere between 80% to 100%. It is recommended to set it to 80% to extend your battery health, as charging 200% all the time can stress your battery. So, this is how you can set charging limit on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.